Well, there is a tiny but still useful update on Perplexity, and basically you can now use Perplexity to track a flight in real time. So let me show you how you can actually utilize this new feature. Just open perplexity.ai. And by the way, when I'm recording this video, this real-time flight tracking feature is only available on the web and also the iOS version of Perplexity. For Android users, I think they have to wait a bit more because it is not yet available, although that doesn't mean you cannot track a flight, and I'll talk about that later. But for now, let's just continue. So here, just type the flight code that you want to track. In this case, I want to track the flight of, let's say, American Airlines, and it's going to be AA1234. The air model doesn't really matter, just send a message and instantly you'll see an answer that looks like this. So there is a card that displays some useful info like the departure, arrival, and as you can see right now, the plane is en route to Phoenix, and also you'll get some info like the gate, the terminal, and also you can see the past and future flights for this particular plane. So I think it's very useful for anyone who wants to track the plane then that they are about to board later. And since it is Perplexity, you can always ask other information regarding the flight, the airline, perhaps even the weather to AI, and it will give you some useful information. Now, how about the Android version? Well, according to the blog post, it is not yet available. It is coming soon, basically, but you can actually somewhat use Perplexity to track a flight. So let me just open my Android phone. Let's just fire up Perplexity, and I'm going to use, let's say, the same flight number again, AA1234. Send a message, and there is going to be no card like that. There is no tracking card, but it is giving you some text information about the status of the flight. It is not quite good as the desktop, web, or the iOS version, but at least you can still get some general info about the flight even on the Android version. So yeah, that's just some tiny update, but again, it could be very useful for some people. So that's how you can track a flight in real time using Perplexity AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.